Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add a credit card on Uber Eats. If you are looking for a way to add a credit card on your Uber Eats account, then follow the steps until the very end of the video. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser and then type in ubereats.com inside the URL box and search. Make sure to log into your Uber Eats account as well if necessary by entering your account's credentials. After you are signed into your account, click on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. Now from the options displayed on the screen, click on Wallet. Now select Add Payment Method option and in the pop-up, click on the Spend button appearing at the top. Now click on Credit or Debit Card option and enter your credit card number, its expiry date, security code, your country and your nickname if available. After filling in your necessary details, click on Add Card in order to add a debit card on Uber Eats. So that's how you can easily add a credit card on Uber Eats in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.